Welcome to Soft Reviewed. In this video, I am going to introduce you to Floik. Floik is a software that lets you create demos and videos and step-by-step guides. And let's look at some of the features. It can let you create interactive demos, step-by-step guides, explainer videos. It can even record your screen, and if you want to hide certain areas of the screen that you are recording, you can do that. And it can even generate a voiceover, and you also have the option to embed it anywhere that you want. And these are some of the competitors, like it's Scribe, Loom. These are some of the famous competitors for this product, and it's backed by Elevate investing company. You are logged in, and for a limited you can get a lifetime deal for this. I will talk about it later, but now I'll show you the capabilities of what the software can do for you. This is especially helpful if you are planning to create like interactive guides and explainer videos, or if you want to demo someone something. It's really helpful. You don't need to be like really good with video editing in order to highlight or pinpoint certain areas of the screen. All of this can be like done while you are just recording and you doing the normal browsing, and the output will look really nice. So let's look at some of the capabilities here. So the first one is like the interactive demo. So if you click on the details, what this means is like once you record the screen, the final output will look like this. And it's great for like creating landing pages or onboarding sections. And if you are creating a product, and if you want to create a guide on how you want people to interact with your product, then you definitely can use this one. So this is how it will look like. Just an example of how we can use the YouTube Studio. And if I just click on like this button, Teach Me Sensei, then it will, we have to actually click here to click on the content to open all the posted videos and playlist. Then it will take us to the next step, as you can see. And so if I click here, then it will let us edit the video details here. So if I want to change the title, I can click here, then we can change the title. So I hope you got the point. You can just click on this arrow and see the next step as well. So all of this are automatically generated, and you can take it as a full screen, and you can adjust the volume, and all you get all the controls here, and you can reset from the beginning as well. So this is what the interactive demo means. This step-by-step guide is where you can create guides like this. This is great for like if you want to create standard operating procedure, or if you want to create some training for some of your services or like products, and if you want to create a support document, then you can use this one. So the step-by-step guide will look something like this once you embed on the page. And these are all just recordings, and the final output can be viewed similar to this, and we can embed it. So when you scroll down, you can see this is really interactive. And if you have any questions, you can also add it here by entering your name and email, and the creator will receive it in the backend as well. So if you, when you just scroll down, you can always edit the text here, and this is what the step-by-step guide will look like. And the rest is this options lets you like record the screen, and if you want to show your face and record the screen plus the camera video, then you can do that as well. Or if you want to talk just with the camera on, you can do that as well. One of the great thing about service is that if you record any of this, you can convert from one format to another. So you don't have to worry about like you only started with the interactive demo, but you cannot change it to a step-by-step guide. There is nothing like that. If you create a step-by-step guide, then you can change it to as an interactive demo as well. So these are like some of the options that's available with this. The main reason I came here is because they are running a limited time deal, and believe me, this is incredible value for one-time deal. So if you take their normal pricing, this is what you'll have to pay like monthly. where you have to pay like $30 per month for just one user, unlimited flows, and you can even download this as an MP4. You get all the insights and analytics, and it goes up to like for the team feature around $500. So that's why I'm saying that this is an absolute steal of a deal if you act fast now. I believe this company has like a huge potential to grow in the future. If you jump in right now, this is going to be like a really good asset for you, if especially for somebody like me as a content creator. So creating like interactive demo and explaining the software is what I do, so it will really help me out. If you have like a service or product or anything like that you want to showcase or demo, then you need to have this software. This will make your life so much easier, and you don't need to be like an experienced video editor to blur out some sections or zoom into certain position of the video, or just make some interactive call to actions, things like that. All of this will be recorded automatically for you. And here you can get the Floik lifetime deal, and these are the key features. As you can see, if you have SaaS app, if you are in a sales team, and if you're a marketer, if you're a developer, product managers, customer support, agency owner, content creators, educators, tutorial makers, everyone can use the software. So it has got like some endless use cases. You can see how the step-by-step guide is working in action. And these are the pricing plans. So for like the tier 1, you just need to pay like $59, and it's a lifetime deal, and you get unlimited demos and flows, and restricted up to 20,000 views per month, and you can have only one user. $59 lifetime deal. And for the $129 lifetime deal, you get unlimited demos, and you can have up to 10 users, SSO integration, and no Floik branding will be there. And for the $299 plan, you get unlimited demos, unlimited users. You can add your own custom domain and have like team space or folders, SSO integration, and Floik branding will not be there as well. So this is like the lifetime deal. I am not sure how long this deal will be live, mostly like 1 or 2 weeks maximum. So if you are seeing it right now, this is your best chance to get this deal right now. Grab it while you can. I am also planning to do in-depth review on this software, so consider subscribing if you don't want to miss that, and share it with a friend who might be searching for a similar software like this one, and it will help them out as well. I'll include the link in the description where you can get this lifetime deal, so check that out. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.